Hey guys, welcome back to Sneep Speed. In this video, we're troubleshooting the coolant warning light on the BMW e90 years 2006 to 2012. If your dashboard looks like a Christmas tree with all the warning lights on, don't worry, you're not alone. This particular light means your coolant level is low. Stick around as we go over how to diagnose and fix the issue. Step 1 would be to check for leaks. This is a common BMW problem, but it's usually an easy fix. First, thoroughly inspect your car for leaks. Lift the car and check underneath for any signs of coolant loss. If you notice a significant leak, add water instead of coolant for testing. This way, you don't waste expensive coolant. Now on to step 2. Let the car cool down. Before adding coolant. Super important. Before adding coolant, always let your engine cool down. The coolant system runs extremely hot and opening the cap too soon can be dangerous. To avoid burns or injury, keep your face away when unscrewing the cap in case there's still pressure. Next, step 3 is choosing the right coolant for your BMW. The best option is to buy coolant from a BMW dealer, but I've found that Pento Frost NF works just as well for the E90. BMW coolant is typically blue and it must be mixed 50-50 with water, otherwise you risk overheating your engine. So, to give you an idea of cost, the Pentafrost NF coolant cost around $25 and the BMW OEM coolant cost around $45. Prices vary based on location and where you buy it. Here is my diagnosis and fix. After a thorough inspection of the engine and hoses, I didn't find any leaks, which was strange. I added the correct coolant mixture, and after running the car for a few minutes, the warning light disappeared. Turns out my issue wasn't a leak. It was old, thick coolant causing overheating and slowly evaporating. A full system flush would have been the best solution. By the way, you might notice I have 4 60-pound, 27-kilogram sandbags in my trunk. That's the only way I can drive a rear-wheel drive automatic BMW in the Pacific Northwest. Without the extra weight, my summer tires just spin. If you have an X-Drive BMW, you probably don't have this issue. Here are my final thoughts. I wasted hours trying to figure this out, only to realize my coolant mixture was incorrect, not a leak. Hopefully, this saves you some time. I also recommend buying coolant online to save a few dollars instead of paying dealership prices. Just make sure you get the right one, especially if you live in colder climates like I do. If this video helped, do me a favor, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.